For me personally, hitch kicks are one of my favorite types of jumps. There's something about them where you feel like you are flying in the air and they are so cool. And they're fun because you get to do a great big bop ma with them and you just hit this point of suspension that I find to just be a fun feeling. Hitch kicks can be done a couple of different ways. They can either be a double bop ma, so you have two straight legs, or they can be done with a passe, in which case one leg is bent and the other one is straight. In ballet, hitch kicks are often referred to as Jete Passe Devant or Jete Passe Derriere because you're passing your legs. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about sea jumps. I will see you then.